something really special for you guys today, a 1939 Ford called the Rumblin Rag. The details on this car are unbelievable. It was originally purchased from a retired shop teacher in Julian, California, and at the time was bone stock, even having the V8 flathead engine in it. So the car was taken to Hot Rods and Custom Stuff in Escondido, California for way more than a restoration. It was a complete transformation. Starting with a TCI chassis and a Kugel components independent rear suspension, the car began its transformation into a RestoMod. Next, the motor was swapped from a staggering 65 horsepower flathead to a 525 horsepower Ramjet 502 tuned by Serene Performance in Mena, Arkansas, paired to a 4L80E. In order to fit this massive engine into the engine compartment, the firewall had to be cut back, and you can see there's barely any clearance all the way around. And to maintain that aggressive look, the windshield was chopped 2 inches and then slanted back another inch in order to really keep everything clean and concise. The interior features vintage AC, a custom dash, custom leather interior by Ron Mangus, and oddly enough, a house carpet. Plus, this car has a few more tricks, including electric cutouts that really make it roar down the street. And that awesome rumble seat in the back. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like the Rumblin Rag, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. You're gonna get a notification every time we launch a new video. And if you want your chance to win your very own RestoMod, just so happens RestoMods.com gives one away every single quarter. Go to RestoMods.com and check it out.